Kaya's brain, please hold. Kaya's brain, please hold. Welcome! We've been waiting for you. Kaya's already started talking to herself. So Kaya's brain, please hold. Kaya's brain, please hold. Kaya's already started talking to herself, so you can go ahead and slip in through the back. Kaya's brain, please hold.
It has been raining like crazy. I'm sure every single person from California has been like, it's raining cats and dogs. Like, it's raining cats, dogs, zebras, platypuses. The old man is snoring. It's storming. Everybody's bumped their heads and gone to bed because the rain. It just keeps on coming down. Rain on me, rain down on me, rain. Anyway, one more. Can you stand the rain? There's so many songs about rain. And it's all lovely. I love the rain. I love the rain. I just do not like being inconvenienced. I've been in the house for a very long time. So on rainy days and you're over 21, what is there to do besides get litty titty and a science experiment, right? So Earlier, I made a milkshake with all the trash in my freezer. Frozen bananas from ice cream that I hate that I got for free from the grocery store, and AVB, peanut butter, some chocolate chips, all kinds of things. I just mixed it all together and I made a milkshake out of it. And so I drank that. So hopefully that'll, permeate the soul and lift the spirit. You know what I mean? Hopefully it does what needs to be done. And so now I'm just kind of okay, well, but for real, okay, I get it, it's raining. We're wet. You know what I really, really need? I need some boots. I need some rain boots. I want those like like jumpsuit boots, like the swamp boots, the ones that like the leg is the boot, like you put your whole entire like leg into the boot and it goes all the way up and it's rubber and it goes over and it's like a whole jumpsuit and you can go into waters like all the way up to your titties deep and without getting wet. So it's like the best, it's like a rain, like a rubber, I don't know, you are a boot. You know what I mean? It's more like you are the boot instead of you wearing boots. Anyway, I want one of those so that I can do like extreme puddle jumping. Baby. Because all I have that's rubber are like Crocs. And like, that's just not gonna work out, baby. I need to at least get some like, I don't know, I need to get some rubber boots. But the thing is that it doesn't rain that often. Like, it doesn't make any sense for me to buy rain boots. But it does if I want to go puddle jumping. So, I gotta get some rubber boots so I can go puddle jumping. But like, since I don't have rubber boots, I can't go puddle jumping. And so I've just been sitting here listening to the rain and, you know, that's all. It's supposed to like break later, so maybe there'll be a break in the storm. That'd be cool. And go outside and like stretch my arms out or whatever. Shake my tail feathers. And it's so crazy because I really don't like go anywhere, but I do like to go outside a lot. Just like outside. So like, I don't know. Anyway, what we're gonna do today, since we're stuck in the house, is a science experiment. Science! I love science. I looked up what I could do that could be fun with household ingredients because I don't really like driving in the rain. So yeah, I found an experiment that I can do with household wow. I found an experiment that we can do with household ingredients. Super excited about that. We're gonna do it in the laundry room though, because the laundry room is like a white room. We're gonna make I didn't even say what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a homemade lava lamp. Super excited about that. Like, whatever. And so we're gonna do it in the laundry room because the laundry room is like all white. So I feel like it'll be like the best room to see like a lava lamp, you know? Especially since it's not lit. Like, it's not like actually lit like a lamp. A lamp is a light. This is a homemade one that we're gonna do in a jar, so there's no light component. So like, I just figured we could put it in a really light white room. Yeah? All right, let's go. Okay, so the instructions specifically say to pour oil and water, but to pour the oil first, which I don't understand why you wouldn't just pour the water first and then the oil on top, but they're like, pour the oil first and then pour the water on top. Don't mix it and let it sink to the bottom. So I guess like letting it sink to the bottom is a crucial part of the reaction. My gut is telling me that that isn't true, but whatever. Here we go. Oil first. 1 cup vegetable oil. And then a 1/4 cup water. It's a good thing we have a faucet in the laundry room. Okay, so let's pour this slowly on top of the oil to not mix it with the, well, that's not very slow at all. Well, they said to pour it and let the water sink to the bottom. So I guess well, that was actually pretty quick. The water is already sunk into the bottom, but we'll just give it some time. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Do you need to see? I'm gonna cut an Alka-Seltzer tablet into 4ths because they said to cut it up. So into pieces, but they didn't say how many pieces or how big of pieces. So, ooh. All right, I'm gonna cut it into sixths. All right. So it's looking like the water and the oil are separate, like they need to be. Next up, we get to pour in our colors for the lamp. I am excited about this. I'm gonna use pink. No, I think that's purple. And then this is pink. And then this is green. Super excited about that. Okay, let's do purple first. Okay. Next, we're gonna do pink. Okay. And next, we're gonna do green. I said, and next, we're gonna do green. I said, and next, we're gonna do green. Hello? That's your cue, buddy. All right. And next, I'm gonna do green. Oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? Hello? Thank you, green. Give me at least 2. Okay. Okay, that's all green wants. Listen, that's all we're gonna force green to do. Now next, one at a time, this is the reaction. Oh my gosh, am I excited? Don't be excited because you don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, in 5, 4, now. It said to drop in these pieces of Alka-Seltzer one at a time. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is that too many? Okay. Well, all the colors kind of mixed together. Oh my gosh, but look at this lava lamp effect. Get out of town. They said to cover this if I want the reaction to last longer. Oh my gosh. I'm so sad that it didn't the colors mixed it together. Let me add the rest of this. Oh, listen. Split all the crumbs. Oh my gosh. Look at you, baby. Look at you lava lamping. Yes. Let's move it close. Yes. Is it done? What happens if I shake it? Okay, lava lamp. That was short and sweet. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. You know, I've never done that before. Let me give it a stir. Was that crazy? Did I awaken anything? Low key, I mean, kinda. It looks like under the water or something. I'm not a sea. All right, well, that's enough of that. Okay, so the Alka-Seltzer comes with 2. So I'm gonna try my own experiment and not break it up. Just put it all in at once and see what the reaction is. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh! Go, baby, go! Yo, this is way better. I wonder why they told me to break it.
This is far more fascinating to watch. Granted, it is a little bit more rapid than a lava lamp. It's still like super cool. I wonder what would happen if I had a color. I didn't see it. I don't know. I don't think adding a color did anything. Yes, though. What? What? So I think it was way cooler putting in the whole tablet than it was putting it in pieces. That's my hypothesis. What? In conclusion, go big or go home. I read something that said that the "why did the chicken cross the road" was the most popular joke in the world. Well, like, popular joke / anti-joke. And an anti-joke apparently is just a joke that's a joke because it's not funny. So, like, I guess, like, why did the grandma get buried? Because she died. But anyway. Why did the chicken cross the road is the most popular joke. And like, I don't even understand that. Like, how is like, why is it a chicken? Have most people seen chickens while driving? Like, do chickens usually hang out by the road in most places? Because like, why, like, how come it's not like a pigeon or a blue jay, you know, or even like an owl? The joke isn't even about the bird. So like, how come it's a chicken in every continent? Like, and even in every region, like, they even say, why did the chicken cross the road in Alaska? When, you know, like, obviously it should be like, why did the fish cross the river? Or like, maybe like, why did the moose cross the road? But like, the chicken, why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know. I just wish it was like a pigeon. You know what I mean? Because like, that's a little bit more believable. Everybody has a pigeon. Every region has a pigeon. You know, like, they should have said pigeon. Bro, I hate when people say that they're itching an itch. Like, oh my gosh, can you itch my back? It's driving me nuts. You don't itch an itch. You scratch an itch. The itch is the problem, and scratch is like to scratch. It's something you do. You scratch the itch. You don't itch the itch. Like, it's like when people call tortillas burritos, or like tortilla chips nachos. Like, what? That's like literally calling a slice of bread a sandwich. Like, what's going on in your life, friend? What's going on in your life? Also, I think it's hella weird that, like, traditionally the boy asks the girl to marry him, but then, like, if she says yes, She has to pay for the wedding and like raise his children. What? Who's got the munchies? I got the munchies. Hey, 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 hey. Oh my gosh. And the munchie this week is trifling. Trifling. Actually, I don't really know because I haven't tried it, but I know it is. The munchie for today is vanilla ice cream with soy sauce. What? Exactly. Vanilla ice cream with a soy sauce drizzle. I feel like I shouldn't even waste any time. Like, I honestly, I'm just gonna... I'm just gonna do it. Ready? Drizzle. Okay. Okay. Soy sauce ice cream. Soy sauce ice cream. Soy sauce ice cream. Oh my gosh. Okay. 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 Whoa. Woo! We almost didn't make it out of that one. We almost didn't make it out of that one. What? Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, now listen. Don't ever do this. Like, don't ever do this. That's literally all I'm gonna say. Because honestly, I almost died. I almost passed away. I almost met my Heavenly Father on account of dessert, baby. Dessert almost killed me. No. No. It's a full rainbow. Yes. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I did that. I literally, I dead almost died. I almost died. Could you imagine what they said at my funeral? Do you know what they're gonna say at my funeral? I scream, you scream, she can't scream, she's dead, bitch. From ice cream. I thought I was ready to cut the camera back on. I thought I was ready. I thought she was ready. She's not. That was like a literal physical assault to my entire being. And I chose this. You chose this, Kaya. Woo. All right. Moving on. The sun is out, the rain
stopped raining. So let's go outside.
The best thing about when it rains is that the creek beds fill. So we're gonna go see. I'm gonna go see if the creek is filled, if there's water running. That'll be really exciting, actually. Okay, let me stop. Let me get off the phone before I get a ticket. It's looking promising. There's ATVs up in here. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Oh, it's not rushing that much. Let's see. Oh, she is moving though. Look at her little soft stream. Let me get closer. Look at this fool. Trying to cross the River Jordan. Ah, chicken. Let's go. Wait, are you doing it? Are you doing it? Are you doing it? Are you doing it? Nah. Chicken. Chicken. But look. It's like a little country bumpkin. You know? It's like my version of a river. Cause we live in the middle, I live in the middle of nowhere, bro, so. This is my version of a river. Yes! Oh yeah, and we get a little bit of sunset action. Oh my gosh. How cool. Let me see. Let's throw a rock. I don't know how to skip rocks. No. Yes. I had to see it before it goes away because it rained and we got a little bit of snow. So that's how we get the creek, because the water comes from the mountains and flows down the creeks. Oh my gosh, though! Yay! Look at this chicken. He came out on the other side. Chicken. Bok, bok, bok! Bok, bok, bok! Ah, yes, sunset. Alright, anyway. Yes, though, finally an adventure. Been stuck in the house for like weeks. So I'm very happy that we got to do this and see some water. Heck yeah. Small town living, bro. Kai's brain? Absolutely not. Because we do not need glitter. I don't think you're understanding the amount of responsibility that comes with glitter, Nightingale. I'm gonna have to call you back. Hi, friends. Going so soon? Well, let me sing you out. Ready? You're gonna repeat after me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I am worthy. I am loved.